Good afternoon and welcome to the bid opening for RFB 2862 Automotive and Heavy Truck Repairs, Parts and Towing. This is Jason Washburn and I will be opening the bids. And I'm here with Karen Hill and she will be recording the bids on the bid tab, which you should see on your screen if you have joined via Teams. I have 3 hard copy submissions for RFB 2862. We will now start the bid opening for RFB 2862. First bid submission is Renwalski Towing, LLC. They have the $500 bid bond in the form of a check. They did not acknowledge the addendum. Submission for bid RFB 2862 from Renwalski Towing. Section 1, Class 1 and 2. Item labor rate, Section 1, Class 1 and 2. It has been left blank. For all items on that sheet. Next submission for RFB 2862 for Renwalski Towing, Class 3 through 8. Page 25. It has also been left blank entirely. The Section 3 towing. Item 1 towing. Section 1 Class 1 through 2 within county. Unit price is $100 per hour. Towing Section 1 Class 1 through 2 outside county hookup charge $100 per hour unit price. Towing Section 1 Class 1 through 2 mileage outside county. They put for the unit price they put NA. Additional charge per tow for nights after 6 p.m., weekends and holidays. Unit price $25 an hour. Towing Section 2, Class 3 through 8 within county. Unit price is $250 an hour. Yes, ma'am. Absolutely. All right, so we're at towing Section 2, Class 3 through 8 within county. Okay. It is, the unit price is $250 an hour. Towing section 2, class 3 outside county hookup charge. Unit price $250 an hour. Towing section 2, class 3 through 8 mileage outside of the county. Unit price NA. Additional charge per tow for nights after 6 p.m. and weekends and holidays. Unit price $25 an hour. Section 4, auto body repair. Labor rate, auto body repair, unit price $58 an hour. Labor rate, heavy duty truck equipment body repair, $85 an hour. Labor rate, auto painting, refinishing, unit price per hour, $55. Labor rate, heavy duty truck equipment painting, refinishing, $70 an hour. Paint supplies, materials based on paint and refinishing hours, unit price $38 an hour. Labor rate, auto frame repair, unit price $65 an hour. Labor rate, heavy duty truck frame repair, unit price $125 an hour. Labor rate for auto alignment, unit price $120 an hour, or each, apologize. Each. Labor rate, heavy truck alignment, unit price $250 each. Parts markup not to exceed 20% for OEM equivalent parts, 20% unit price. Price markup not to exceed 20% for OEM parts, 20%. Hazardous materials charge, if any, $7 a job. Bid includes pickup and delivery of vehicles. Yes or no? They circled no. If no, include bidder's address. It is 812 Sullivan Street, Elmira, New York, 14901. If no, include mileage from Chemung County to bidder location, 8 miles. Includes the bid opening for Rimouski Towing. Bid submission. It's the Twin Tower Group. Next bid submission is from Penn Power Group, PENN. Fleet Services. Their bid bonds in the form of a surety. They did acknowledge the addendum. So, okay. Paperwork is in order. Submission of RFB 2862 for Penn Power Group, Section 1, Class 1 and 2. No bid. For all items on Section 1. Section 2, 3, Class 3 through 8. Item labor rate, Section 2, Class 3 through 8. They have a side note here, it says on-site and shop labor rate. Unit price $172. Extended price $25,800. New York inspection for Class 3 through 8 per New York State contract rates. Unit price they left blank. For the extended price, they stated following state contract rates. Parts markup not to exceed 20% OEM equivalent parts. Under unit, they have percent markup from cost for a unit price of 19.5%. Okay, I'll show it to them. Under unit, they put percent markup and then they put from cost. And then they put a unit price of $172, or excuse me, 19.5% markup. Sorry, I was on the wrong line. And also the extended price for that is 19.5% for both. I think where you have it right under $172, that percent markup from cost should go over there where it says percent markup. Right there. Yes, ma'am.
We can adjust it.
Yeah, we'll adjust it later, but I just let you know. So we said it out loud. All right, parts markup not to exceed 20% for OEM parts. Again, they put percent markup from cost, and then they put unit price as 19.5% and extended price as 19.5% for both. And total section 2, extended price, $25,800. Bid includes pick up and delivery of vehicles. They circled yes. All right, for section 3, towing. They have no bid for the entire page. County no bid. Section 1, class 1 through 2, outside county hookup charge no bid. Okay, I'm just making sure it's all. Submission for section 4, auto body repair. They have labor rate no bid. Labor rate for heavy duty truck no bid. Labor rate for auto painting refinishing no bid. Labor rate for heavy duty truck equipment painting refinishing no bid. Paint supplies materials based on paint and refinishing hours no bid. Labor rate auto frame repair no bid. Labor rate heavy duty truck frame repair no bid. Labor rate auto alignment no bid. Labor rate heavy truck alignment no bid. Parts up markup no bid. Parts markup for OEM parts, no bid. Hazardous materials charge, no bid. Total for section 4, no bid. They didn't answer yes or no on that one. That concludes the bid submission for Penn Power Group. Next bid submission is from Wilbry. It funded in the form of a check. Oh, it's Wheelwright Inc. If you wanted that. Missed that, I'm sorry. Um, Corporate seal, they did put no seal, there's no corporate seal there, so. On the waiver of immunity form. Let's see, they didn't put anything. That. It's corporate seal, whatever. So. And they did not acknowledge the addendum. All right. One for submission, RFB 2862. Section 1, class 1 and 2. Item labor rate, section 1, class 1 and 2. Unit price $155. New York inspection for class 1 and 2 per New York State contract rates. $21 an hour for the unit price. Parts markup not to exceed 20% for EM equivalent parts. Unit price 19%. Parts markup not to exceed 20% for OEM parts. 19%. Bid includes pickup and delivery of vehicles? No. If no, include bidder's address. It's 8280 Corona Roofs, Karona. Avoca, New York 14809. If no, include mileage from Chemung County to bidder location 42. Section 2, class 3 through 8. Labor rate, section 2, class 3 through 8. Unit price $155. New York inspection for class 3 through 8 per New York State contract rates. Unit price $20 an hour. 20. Parts markup not to exceed 20% OEM equivalent parts. Unit price 19%. Parts markup not to exceed 20% for OEM parts. 19%. And bid includes pickup and delivery of vehicles? No. If no, include bidder's address. 8280 Corona Road, Avoca, New York 14809. If no, include mileage from Chemung County to bidder location 42. Section 3, towing. Towing section 1, class 1 through 1 and 2 within county, unit price $175 an hour. Towing section 1, class 1 through 2, outside county hookup charge, unit price $175 an hour. Towing section 1, class 1 through 2, mileage outside of county, NA. Additional charge per tow for nights after 6 p.m., weekends, holidays, $50 an hour. Towing section 2, class 3 through 8 within county, unit price $300 an hour. Towing section 2, class 3 through 8 outside county hookup charge, unit price $300 an hour. Towing section 2, class 3 through 8 mileage outside of county, NA. Additional charge per tow for nights after 6 p.m. and weekend holidays, unit price $50 an hour. Section 4, auto body repair. Item labor rate, auto body repair, unit price NA. Labor rate heavy duty truck equipment body repair, unit price $155. Labor rate auto painting refinishing, unit price NA. Labor rate heavy duty truck equipment painting refinishing, unit price $155. Paint supplies, materials based on paint and refinishing hours, unit price says 3%. Labor rate auto frame repair, unit price NA. Labor rate heavy duty truck frame repair, unit price $155. Labor rate auto alignment, unit price NA. Labor rate heavy truck alignment, $155. Parts markup not to exceed 20% for OEM equivalent parts. Unit price 19%. Parts markup not to exceed 20% for OEM parts. Unit price 19%. Bid includes pickup and delivery of vehicles? No. No include bidder's address, 8280 Canona Road, Avoca, New York, 14809. If no, include mileage from Chemung County to bidder location, 42. This will conclude the bid opening for RFB 2862 Automotive and Heavy Truck Repairs, Parts and Towing. Bid tabs will be posted to BidNet later today or tomorrow. Thank you and have a great day.